Ever wondered how we separate a mixture of solid and liquid, perhaps like sand mixed in water? It's a process called filtration, and it's simpler than you might think. Filtration, in essence, is a technique that uses a barrier to separate a mixture of solid and liquid. Picture a coffee filter. It allows the liquid coffee to pass through while keeping the coffee grounds behind. So, how does this process work? It begins when a mixture of insoluble solid and liquid is poured into a filter funnel. The filter funnel, usually lined with a piece of filter paper, serves as our selective barrier. This filter paper has tiny holes or pores that only allow particles of a certain size to pass through. The liquid particles, being small and agile, can easily navigate their way through these pores. They trickle down the funnel, passing through the filter paper, and collect in a container below. This liquid that has successfully passed through the filter is known as the filtrate. Meanwhile, the solid particles find themselves in a bit of a predicament. They are too large to pass through the filter paper's pores. Instead, they stay behind, caught by the filter paper. This trapped solid is referred to as the residue. So to summarize, the filtration process involves passing a mixture of solid and liquid through a filter. The liquid, small enough to pass through the filter's pores, separates from the solid and is collected as a filtrate. The solid, too large to navigate through the filter, remains behind as a residue. Filtration is a simple yet effective method to separate a mixture of solid and liquid. It's a process used in everyday life, from brewing coffee to purifying water. So next time you sip your morning brew, remember the process of filtration that helped make it possible.